Now just a recap to the previous video, we have understood our problem statement for our business understanding, that you have joined as a new trainee or an engineer in the Spotify team, and they have given you a song data of containing many artists, and then you need to come up with a solution, some AI solution, which will going to give any new assigned song or album by understanding their song dynamics. It will going to score the viral potential, that what is the potential of giving this song a viral score, so that it will start ranking it into the user profile at the very top. The second thing is that we have understood about that it is also a problem of classification, because based on virality score, it will also tell you that what is the classified song results, that whether it is a good song, or let's say a mood inducing song, or a sad song, or a mixed mood song, or a song which is giving you some other vibes, right, based on the song feelings. The third problem was clustering problem, that how user is going to see all these things into a playlist. The playlist should start recommending, right, your system should start recommending to the user based on their previously listened list, or it could be very dynamic, right, which means that one quality of a song should come into the another group, one quality of the song should come into different group. Okay, so it is also a grouping problem, again I'm telling. So first solution is that you need to predict the song virality. It is a regression problem, right? Then you need to classify the mood of the song, so it is a classification problem, right? And you need to group the vibe of the playlist, so it is a clustering problem. So can you catch up one most frequently used thing from the very past set of lecture, which is our golden rule? Because our golden rule is not going to change. It is not going to change for any set of machine learning problem, even in this projects, right? So this is like our golden rule. Just a quick recap. So we have the raw data. We have seen our raw data. This is how our raw data looks like. From mood, we can classify the problem, because someone has given me the data. I am coming up with different ML solution, so that you will go and join any company as an engineer. You will also provide with some data. You will be also be provided with a lot of data. Now, no one is going to tell you that you need to do this. You yourself need to understand that you should make something, so that you can come up with different AI and ML solution. And the solution is very simple. Just see the data and come up with the outcome, that whether it could be breaked into a regression category, or a classification category, or a grouping category, or combining everything, right? So let's say the person A is joined the team, and he has just been given provided this data. Now what he will do, he will just see that, okay, so from the popularity score, can he make a AI solution which can give the prediction of the song popularity, right? Can he make a AI solution which can give the classification of song, whether it is a happy song, motivational song, angry song, sad song? Can he able to group the same family of song into a one grouping, the another family of song into another grouping, so that it could come into a playlist recommendation system, right? So I am not like thinking it explicitly. It is very natural that whatever the knowledge that I have gained in the previous set of lectures, it is all automatically coming natural to me. This solution is also automatically coming natural to me, right? So that I am expecting you also that you may come up with so many other different solutions. Now coming to the problem statement, this is the entire dashboard that the person A has joined some team, and the data has been provided to him, and this is what the team is expecting. And you are completely sure that I would able to make these things. Why? Because you know the golden rule. You know these things, the classification, regression, and clustering problem. You know about this learning model, that what is this regression and classification model I have. You know about what is the unsupervised, the grouping model I have, if the problem is related to grouping part, right? Now it's become very easy for you to come up with the solution. So this is the entire solution for the problem that we have got in the last lecture, okay, the project problem, and this is the solution. So how will you commence this thing? The first thing is that, again, loading the raw data, doing the explore and data cleaning process, then save the clean CSV, choose any model according to you. Here, according to our problem statement, we have regression, classification and clustering. So we are supposed to choose 3 model individually, okay. Then we will be training our model, one for regression, one for classification, one for clustering. We will be testing and evaluating this model, saving the model, and then we will serving these things into a API. I will tell you what is fast API. This is just a project solution, that this is how we will be leading to the solution part. We got the problem, now we are approaching towards the solution part. So this is the solution. Now let's see that how to build up the projects. Okay, what are the prerequisites of making the project, of making the industry based project. Okay, so in the next video I will tell you about that thing. Thank you.